In today's tutorial, we're diving into a vibrant and mesmerizing design, a kaleidoscope effect movie poster using Pixlr editor. Create a blank new canvas. Upload the image you want to use for your kaleidoscope effect. Head up to the filter menu and select the kaleidoscope effect. Adjust the attributes to achieve the kaleidoscope style that suits your vision. Upload a second image and position it creatively to build complexity and motion. Then apply the kaleidoscope effect. Next, experiment with different blending modes, like overlay, soft light, or multiply to create dreamy effects, deeper shadows, or more vibrant color blends. Upload a third image and repeat the process. The more images you layer, the richer, more dynamic, and textured your final piece will be. Once everything looks cohesive, merge the overlapping layers. This not only tidies up your workspace, but also keeps your layers organized. Now go to Text Tool and type in your cinematic title. Choose a bold, dramatic font that matches your poster's theme. Hit Ctrl+D to duplicate the text, then rasterize the text layer. Rasterizing allows you to apply cool filters, like a subtle glitch texture, to give it that extra edge. Add subheading or extra text underneath or on top of your main title. These smaller text elements add context and give your poster a polished, professional feel. Now for the finishing touches, build up your scene by adding in details, soft textures, and faint gradients in the background using shape elements. Play around with the blending modes of each layers. This can help unify your visuals and bring emotional depth to the composition. Remember, the more intentional layers you add, the more your concept comes to life. And you're done. You've created a head-turning kaleidoscope effect movie poster. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you don't miss more creative magic.